To add a photo to your recipe, you can choose to add a photo right on the same page as your recipe by choosing the recipe with photo layout. And then you've got some options here. Let's say we want this one, and then we just click either the little cloud icon to enter your computer and choose a photo right from your computer. Or you can delete that and choose one from our image library. You can also add, let's go back to recipe only over here. Say I wanted to have a full page photo, I can add a new page over here, choose photo only, and then decide which layout I want. It's a good idea to give your photo page a title so you can find it later in your index or when you're organizing the pages, the order of the pages. So let's say chicken soup photo. We will add our photo again here. This one. If you get a photo resolution message, you can click to acknowledge that you understand it and you accept the photo the way it is. You can get a sense of how pixelated the photo will be just by looking at it on the screen. If it looks pretty clear to you, it will print pretty clear. If it looks very pixelated, it will print pixelated.